The last thing I want to check in on here or demonstrate is the data flow tab. So the data flow tab gives us an idea of how much traffic is flowing into and out of the server. And this is really helpful. It can be helpful in scenarios in which you're trying to assess some data loss potentially. So there are scenarios I've been involved in them personally where you may be called upon to find out, how much data is, this user pulling down, or it might also just be used as a general overview to find anomalous behavior. In other words, I can look and see, well, this. Let me clear this field here, so I can see all of these connections, but then I can drill down by user and find out, well, what did this particular device do or this specific user? And then I can find out information. I can say, well, that's interesting. On specific date and time, they pulled down 40 gig. And then I would use that in the user activity reports to identify what resource they went to. And I say, oh, wow, they pulled down 40 gig from a SQL server from marketing. Why did they do that? They're not in marketing. Those types of things, or those types of scenarios, are what you would use these specific reports. And that's where I think you might find them useful in your organization.